this higher education, not higher education, when by the implementation of new education policy 2020, the entire educational system, right from this KG to the this post graduation as well as from the doctoral level, is under a drastic transformation. I would like to put it in the form of disruptions. So, if you want to tide with the time and the change, definitely a lot of change has to be brought out in the way in which we have been working from so far. So, this drastic change has to be accommodated into our teaching learning and environment in our all the activities which has been related to the teaching learning. So definitely we have to restructure the entire processes that we have been undergoing so far. So obviously, this faculty development program will be giving you some light on how to integrate how to restructure the curriculum transactions in the lines of outcome-based education. And not only that, in few of the sections, we'll be focusing more on the curriculum pattern. Definitely, we know that this new educational policy 2020 has brought about a lot of autonomy, not only to the institutions but also to the students. The students are enjoying the autonomy through multiple entry and exit. They are going to 4-year degree programs where they can move after 1 year or 2 year or 3 year with the respective the certificates, and the 4th year there will be total change in the curriculum. That means there is a change to a research centered curriculum at the 4th year, and definitely a lot of changes in the curricular pattern in the way of majors and minors, and how to integrate it and how to integrate it into our OB stream. All these things have been a lot of ambiguities there. So definitely, I think this faculty development program on this outcome-based education in lines of the education 2020, and also the drastic disruptions has been happening by the integration of AI tools. So definitely AI tools, there is a little concern not only from the teachers but from every quarter, from every work platforms, that whether these uh, AI tools will be replacing these members. Definitely not. Definitely, these AI tools will bring about a lot of smart processes in our. If you're integrating AI in the real sense, we'll be able to reduce our workload by at least by 60%, because a lot of things could be tapped out from these AI platforms, and that could be effectively integrated into our teaching learning spaces. So this FTP program will take you through right from the very initial stages of outcome based education. It will take you through this the architecture of outcome based education, and the most important part is regarding how we can make assessments in outcome based education. So so in order to make assessment, how can we map any activities to the outcomes, how to frame outcomes? A lot of things is there which is going to happen in this faculty development program. And also there will be a lot of reflections on how this curriculum will be going to change, how we can that is reframe the curriculum with minors and majors, and what should be the essential credits, and a lot of things will be coming up in these sections. And obviously integrating this AI into our workspace, and how effectively we can manage all these things will be integrated with this FTP. Because and also my role today is today in the sense in this section is to give a small picture about how this faculty development program is going to progress. So as the moderator has informed you that the live sections will be from this 7 to 9 o'clock. These live sections will be normally will be taking you through the conceptual frameworks, and also some insights about these about outcome-based education, about the curriculum framework, as well as the A tools. And the real life of this faculty development program will be how well you utilize the learning management system. I will show you how it is being customized. So the learning management system, definitely those that will be available to those who have registered for that particular and that is learning management system. So here for 7 days there are a lot of materials which has been showcased, and sometimes it may happen that you may due to some busy schedule you may not be able to take the section from 7 to 9. So there is no need for any concern because that sections will be recorded sections will be available in the LMS. Not only that, recorded sections will be having a lot of videos related to these outcome based educations. Then the lot of answers regarding the frequently asked questions has been showcased there. And definitely there are a lot of space for collaborating, because now we know that more than 2500 participants have registered for this faculty development program. That is a huge number. So the number of there will be the opinion from different quarters will be integrated into this faculty development program, and they can make a best use of it through these forums are there in this I mean this LMS. That is the teachers can post their queries, as well as we that these resource persons as well as the other peers will be visiting these LMS, and they will be answering from their own experiences. So there will be an ideal platform for collaboration. Definitely, we know that learning get enhanced through collaborations, and there are a lot of different types of resources which will be available in this LMS, as well as activities. So I will be just taking you through these LMS just to show you how these things has been showcased. And one more exciting thing that we have for this the FTP is that for those who have registered, that is for the LMS, they'll be having a complimentary gift. Complimentary gift in the sense they'll be having this question paper generating software, that is AI powered question paper generating. This software will be given to them free as a complimentary gift. I will also show that how it works. That is, that will lessen our task and burden to a greater extent. That is, you can create question paper from the subject that you're handling in a finger, in a click of that is just by uploading your syllabus and just click it, then the question paper will be ready there. I will show you both these things, and that will be given to you as a complimentary gift for the participant who has been registered for the LMS. So let me first show you. Let me first share the screen. Sorry, I have not shared.